Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Children, shall we start our today's session with the game? How many of you like to solve the puzzle? Here comes a puzzle to solve. Shall we start now? Yes children. Who am I? Solve the word puzzle to find out. First one. I come from a cow, I am white. I help to build your bones, nice and strong. Who am I? I come from a cow, I am white. I help to build your bones, nice and strong. Who am I? Children, I hope everyone have guessed this answer. Yeah, the answer is milk. The answer is milk. M-I-L-K, milk. Okay children, M-I-L-K, milk. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. I grow below the ground. I am a great on a salad. I help you fight diseases. Who am I? I grow below the ground. I am great on a salad. I help you fight diseases. Who am I? Children, I am going to give you the clues. You are going to find out the words. Okay. It is a 6-letter word. Okay children, the first clue is it is a 6-letter word. The next one is start with the letter C and end with the letter T. Okay, start with the letter C and end with the letter T. Children, I hope everyone have guessed this answer. Yeah, the answer is carrot. The answer is carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yeah. I come from coconuts, olives, vegetables and more. I am a good dose of fat. Who am I? I come from coconuts, olives, vegetables and more. I am a good dose of fat. Who am I? Children, daily you will keep it in your hair. Daily you will keep it in your hair. I hope everyone have guessed this answer. Yeah, the answer is oil. O-I-L, oil. Okay. O-I-L, oil. Okay children, shall we move to the next one? Okay. Healthy food. Okay, we have two types of food. One is the healthy food and another one is the junk food. Now we are going to see about healthy food. Okay children? Yeah. Healthy food. An apple a day, keep a doctor away. An apple a day, keep a doctor away. Children, if you want to avoid visiting hospital, always prepare healthy food. Always prepare healthy food. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy food. F-O-O-D, food. Healthy food. So, children, if your mother is preparing some delicious food like sambar, rasam, side dish, so don't neglect any item which are present in it. Okay, so you should not neglect onion. Okay, if you should not neglect onion, tomato, curry leaves and coriander leaves and so on. These things really keep us away from illness. It will create good energetic body. Okay, so if you want to look very beautiful, take a carrot every day. Okay children, take a carrot every day. Shall we move to the next one? Next one is the junk food. Junk food or the food. Okay, junk food or the food. J-U-N-K, junk food. F-O-O-D, food, junk food. Junk foods are the food which spoil our health. For example, when they are buying Lays, Kurkure, like Bingo, like that, we could see the packet is filled with only air. okay, filled with only air. That really very bad, children, for our health. Okay, that really very bad for our health. And to impress us, they using mixing artificial color powder. Okay, they are using so many artificial and unhealthy color powder. So we can avoid these kind of packet foods. Avoid eating in street food also, because lot of germs may affect us. Okay, children, most important thing, when you are buying some kind of food which are packed, for example milk packet and biscuit packet like that, with the help of your mummy and daddy, always check the expiry date. Always check the expiry date. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Children, see the picture. The first one is we are talking about healthy food. The second one is talking about junk food. So, which one do you prefer? Which one do you prefer? So, very good, children. I could hear so many answers from you. Yeah, always prefer a healthy food. Always prefer a healthy food. Okay, children, always prefer a healthy food. We always prefer a healthy food. So, advise your friends, relatives and neighborhood also to prefer the healthy food. Okay, children, you are a very good children. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Healthy food versus junk food. Healthy food versus junk food. Healthy food include those food that provide essential nutrients to the body. It keeps our body fit and healthy. Healthy food includes those food that provide essential nutrition to the body. It keeps our body fit and healthy. Healthy food is essentially for proper growth and maintenance of the body. Eating healthy food make us stronger, smarter and better. Okay, eating healthy food make us stronger, smarter and better. Okay, children, next one is the junk food. Junk food are the food that are not good for us. Okay, children, that are not good for us. Excess of sugar, salt and fat in food can lead to health problem. These food are tasty. But contain fewer nutrients. Oily and fried food such as burger, pizza like this and chips are common examples of junk food. So, sugary foods such as candy, chocolate, beverages and biscuit, beverages and chocolates and donut. What is mean by beverages? Beverages means like soft drinks like Fanta, Coca-Cola, Maaza like that. Soft drinks are called the beverages. Chocolates and donuts are also types of junk food. Okay, children. Sugary foods such as candies, candies, biscuits, beverages, chocolates and donuts are also type of junk food. Okay, children. So, we also always prefer a healthy food. Neglect the junk food. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Okay. Make your way through the maze by following only the healthy food. You may move up, down, left, right or diagonal. At the finish line there is an empty plate. Draw or stick pictures of any one energy giving food, production giving food and body building food of your choice from the maze. Together it should make a healthy meal. Okay, children, they have given so many pictures. No, what are all the pictures? They have given healthy food and junk food also. Now we are going to do an activity. First we are going to identify healthy food and junk food. After identify it, we are going to cross out all the junk food. Okay children, shall we start now? Be ready with your textbook. Okay children, what is the first one? Yeah, pineapple. Pineapple is a healthy food or junk food? Yeah, it is healthy food. Children, you know how many types of food are there? Shall we recall it? Yeah, energy giving food. Shall we recall it? Energy giving food, protection giving food and bodybuilding food. Okay, energy giving food, protection giving food and bodybuilding food. Okay children, we have three types of food. First one is the energy giving food, protection giving food and last one is the bodybuilding food. Children, what is the first one? Pineapple. Okay, now tell me, pineapple is a healthy food or junk food? Yeah, pineapple is a healthy food. Okay children, pineapple, which kind of food? Is a protection giving food or energy giving food or bodybuilding food? Yeah, pineapple is a healthy food and it is a protection giving food. It is a protection giving food. Okay children, shall we move to the next one? Yeah, next one is the apple. Apple is a healthy food or junk food? Yeah, apple is a surely healthy food. No. So, apple is a which kind of food? Is a protection giving food or energy giving food or bodybuilding food? Yeah, surely protection giving food. Okay children, shall we move to the next one? Yeah, next one is a what? Pizza. Pizza is a healthy food or junk food? Yeah, very good. Pizza is a junk food. So, now we are cross out this picture. Pizza is a junk food. Okay children, we have to cross this picture. Pizza is a junk food. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yeah, bread. Bread is a healthy food or junk food? Yes children, bread is a healthy food. It is what kind of food? It is the energy giving food. Bread is the energy giving food. Okay children, first bread is the energy giving food. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Okay, next one is the burger. Burger is a healthy food or junk food? Yeah, burger is a surely junk food children. So, we have to cross this picture. Burger is a junk food. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yeah, next one is the donut. Donut is a healthy food or junk food? Yeah, donut is a surely it is a junk food. So, we have to cross this picture. Donut is a junk food. Okay, next one, watermelon. Watermelon is a healthy food or junk food? Surely watermelon is a healthy food. So, what kind of food? Which type of food is watermelon? Surely watermelon is a protection giving food. Okay, watermelon is a protection giving food. Okay children, shall we move to the next one? Yeah, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is like a soft drink. So, it is a healthy food or junk food? Surely Coca-Cola is a junk food. Okay, so we have to cross this picture. Shall we move to the next one? Next one is the ice cream. So, you like ice cream everyone? Okay children, ice cream is a healthy food or junk food? Surely it is a junk food. So, we have to cross this picture. Ice cream is a junk food. Shall we move to the next one? Next one is the orange. Orange is a healthy food or junk food children? Yeah, orange is a healthy food. And orange is a what kind of food? Which kind of food? It is a protection giving food. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yeah, next one is a cherry. Cherry is a healthy food or junk food? Very good. Cherry is a healthy food and it is a one of protection giving food. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Next one is a carrot. Carrot is a healthy food or junk food? Surely carrot is a healthy food and it is one of protection giving food. Okay, next one is a chips. Chips is a healthy food or junk food? Surely it is a junk food. So we have to cross this picture. Okay, next one is a chocolate. Chocolate is a healthy food or junk food? Chocolate also junk food. Next one is a cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable or fruit? First of all, yeah, cabbage is a vegetable and it is a healthy food, children. Yes. And cabbage is a what kind of food, children? It is a energy giving food or protection giving food or bodybuilding food? Yeah, very good. Cabbage is a protection giving food. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, children. Next one is the banana. Banana is a healthy food or junk food? Yeah, very good. Banana is a healthy food. Okay, children. It is which kind of food? Yeah, very good. Banana is a one of protection giving food. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Next one is a what? It is a healthy food or junk food? What is this? Yeah, it is biscuit. No. So it is a junk food. Okay, next one, grapes. Grapes is a healthy food or junk food, children? Yeah, grapes is a healthy food. Okay, children, what kind of food? Grapes. It's surely protection giving food. Okay, it's surely protection giving food. Okay, children. Okay, next one, meat, chicken. Chicken is a healthy food or junk food? Very good. Chicken is a healthy food. And what kind of food this one? It is a body-building food. Okay, children, chicken is the one kind of body-building food. Body-building food. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Next one is the milk. Milk is a healthy food or junk food? Yes, children, milk is a healthy food. And which kind of food this one? Yeah, milk is a energy giving food. Okay, children, milk is a energy giving food. Milk is a energy giving food. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Fish. Fish is a healthy food or junk food? Very good. Fish is a healthy food and it is also body building food. Okay, children, fish is one kind of body building food. Okay, next one, corn. Corn is a healthy food or junk food, children? Very good. Corn is a healthy food. Corn is a healthy food. And corn is a what kind of food, children? It is a energy giving food. Okay, corn is a energy giving food. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Okay, next one is the strawberry. Strawberry is a healthy food or junk food, children? Yeah, very good. Strawberry is a healthy food. Okay, children, strawberry is a what kind of food? It is a protection giving food. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Next one is cake. Cake is a healthy food or junk food, children? Surely cake is a junk food. So we have to cross this picture. Cake is a junk food. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Next one is the tomato. Tomato is a healthy food or junk food, children? Very good. Tomato is a healthy food and it is one of protection giving food. What kind of food? Tomato. Tomato is a protection giving food. Okay, children. Now look at the last picture. Okay, now look at the last picture. They give you one plate, no. So observe the plate. They have divided 3 categories. Okay, divided the plate into 3 categories. One is the energy giving food, protection giving food, and bodybuilding food. Okay children, bodybuilding food. So now your home task is to paste or draw your favorite energy giving food, protection giving food and bodybuilding food in the plate. Okay children, paste or draw your favorite energy giving food, protection giving food, body building food. Okay, this is your choice. Okay, shall we move to the next one children? Yeah. Okay. What is in your refrigerator? List down few healthy food and junk food that you notice inside your refrigerator. Children, how many visited your kitchen? How many of you visited your kitchen? Hope everyone have visited. No. Children, now look at the picture. What is this? Yeah, it is fridge. We call this fridge as refrigerator. Now, your home task is to open your fridge and observe the picture which are inside in your refrigerator. Okay children, which are inside in your refrigerator. Make a list of everything in your rough note. Take time to segregate listed items into healthy food and unhealthy food like junk food. Okay, cross check your answer with your parents. Okay children, cross check your answers with your parents and pen it in your companion book. Okay children, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, eat healthy foods, drink plenty of water and use restroom often. Thank you children.